how many of you get something in from eBay or wherever, and let's say it got kind of wrecked, like this fellow did. So had to replace all the pieces on the back here that were broken off. Okay, I guess easy job. That's all done. That's all finished. Nice receiver. This guy didn't pack it right. So, knob broke off, meaning the shaft broke. Let's take a look at that. So, dead center with this trusty drill, and aim straight and drill the hole where the shaft broke off, and a hole here too. Join them together with a piece of oversized 1/8 very hard steel. Rough it up a bit like that, and put in a bit of a indentation here. I guess that's hard to see in it. And JB weld it in there. It should just be absolutely perfect. I've done this before on many different things. I like using pins and things for repairing castings and other crazy things like this. It's 6 hours of repairs and putting it back together. JB weld, put it back in the case. That's a little handy trick I use anyway for broken things like that. It's got to be oversized and roughed up a bit so that it'll grab well. That's going to take a sledgehammer to break that off again. Oh well. But fun! Something you can maybe learn from this experience from me. In case you have a problem, I don't know. But anyway, it is intriguing. Okay, so that's, wanted to share that just in case you guys have a problem someday. And of course, you know, these radios, nobody bothers to put the screws back in, so I got a bunch of 632 for the base, plate on the back. People are really fucked, you know. Anyway, that's my paradigm.